For the introduction, Starbucks Corporation is a globally operating chain of coffee shops and one of the most well-known companies worldwide. Jerry Buckwill, Zach Siegel, and Gordon Bokers launched Starbucks in Seattle, Washington in 1971. Since then, the company has expanded to thousands of stores across the globe. Starbucks is well known for its specialty drinks, espresso-based beverage, and premium coffee. Is it also well known for its dedication to offering a distinctive and friendly customer experience. To keep its menu interesting and fresh, the company frequently adds new flavors, seasonal specials, and time limit promos. Starbucks serves millions of consumers every day through its hundreds of locations across more than 80 countries. Starbucks is still a market leader in the world of coffee thanks to its distinctive brand identification, dedication to quality, and emphasis on customer pleasure. Starbucks approach their supply chain change iteratively, much like Agile. Starbucks separate their supply chain operation into more manageable categories such as make, deliver, and plan, plus focusing on moderately improving them. Comparable to agile iterative development cycles, this iterative technique enables Starbucks to make ongoing change over time. The agile methodology places a strong emphasis on flexibility in response to change, and Starbucks' supply chain transformation show a comparable level of adaptation. Starbucks reorganized its supply chain function and unproductive partnership and improved partner management in response to difficulties like rising supply chain costs and decreasing revenues. Delivery value to the client through iterative development cycles and customer input is prioritized by the agile methodology. Similar to this, Starbucks changed its supply chain to guarantee prompt delivery to its location in an effort to increase customer satisfaction in order to improve service quality and satisfy customers.
For the similarities, in the case study, Starbucks project management is using a scorecard system, which comparable to Kanban project management approaches in which both rely on visual aids to communicate information and insight. Starbucks started monitoring the remaining partners through a weekly scorecard system. This is commonly accomplished by using a Kanban board, which graphically displays the tasks status and workflow. Visual dashboards, often known as scorecards, are used in scorecard system to present metrics and key performance indicators in an easily comprehensible visual manner. Kanban flow mirrors the streamlined inventory management of supermarkets, ensuring tasks move through development process precisely when needed, while a balanced scorecard is a performance metric used learning and growth, business process, customer, and finance. It allows to provide information on service and quality in addition to financial performance and to help improve efficiency, which in the case study, the supply chain cost management results by the time Starbucks had completed its transformation program using the system, it had saved more than 500 million over the course of 2019 and 2022 when using the system.
Starbucks operates in the food and beverage sectors, which have certain difficulties and that conventional agile approach may not always be able to resolve. Retail supply chain change, in contrast to software development projects, frequently entail physical logistics, inventory control, and cooperation with distributors and suppliers. Starbucks supply chain include sourcing coffee beans from various countries, controlling stock levels in thousands of locations, and dealing with global distributors and suppliers. Given that traditional agile approach are more frequently used in software development projects with clearly defined teams and deliverables. This level of complexity may present difficulties that they are unable to fully handle. Cross-functional, self-organizing teams and decentralized decision-making are frequently highlighted by Agile approach. Starbucks' organizational structure, culture, and hierarchies may have influenced how Agile techniques were accepted and deployed, even though the corporation may have incorporate some components of Agile principles in its supply chains transformation. Due to established organizational structure and procedures, large organizations such as Starbucks may find it difficult to completely implement Agile methodologies across all departments and functions.
The differences are the goals of the combined project management is within a team or organization. It is mostly used to manage and monitor the status of tasks and projects, while a performance management tool used to monitor and measure metrics and key performance indicators linked to the aims and objective of the organization is the system Starbucks company used, which was scorecard system such as a balanced scorecard. Next is Kanban is frequently used to organize and track workflow at the team or project level. It is frequently applied in lean and agile settings, especially in the field of service delivery, software development, and IT operation. While at the organizational level, a scorecard system is usually used to track and manage overall performance. It is used to monitor performance in a variety of sectors and businesses, and including finance. The Kanban method provided a way for organizations to embrace agile ideas and concepts and enhance their software development process. As for the Starbucks company, the system used is to formalize the flow approaches to knowledge work and from monitoring financial. The best approaches was using the Kanban project management, which managers can easily plan, schedule, and monitor their team's progress by visualizing their work on easy-to-use boards. Projects involving software development and manufacturing are usually managed with it. Customizing Kanban boards is simply due to their adaptability in a variety of industry, including manufacturing, product development, marketing, and they are used to monitor the workflow stages. A few of the principal applications of the Kanban in the corporate and non-profit sector, which are task and workflow businesses process, inventory management, operation and production planning. Utilize the Kanban board to oversee the flow of work from ideas to done, making sure that each job advances without problem and that bottlenecks are quickly found and fixed. As a strategic goals or prioritize changes, adjust the Kanban board and workflow phases accordingly. This is comparable to how Starbucks may update its scorecard data. If implemented correctly, it can help Starbucks for its transformation program, which has resulted such supply chain cost reduction and saved more than $500 million. Furthermore, scorecard system metric on the Kanban cards like the Net Promoter Score to make sure every task is in line with the overall performance objective. To provide a clear picture of performance and progress, use visualized signals such as color-coded cards to indicate the status of tasks and their influence on important metrics which were suitable in financing. Lastly, a comprehensive strategy to measuring and improving key performance measures may be created by Starbucks or any organization by combining the concept of scorecard system with the principle of Kanban system. This combination guarantees alignment with strategic goals and ongoing improvement while enabling the visual tracking of tasks and initiatives.
In conclusion, we can see Starbucks implementing the Kanban model in its daily operation, especially when it comes to organizing and managing activities and procedures among teams or individual stores. For instance, Starbucks may utilize Kanban board to show how orders, inventory controls, and shop maintenance activities are handled in its retail locations.